Hi guys! In this quick tutorial I would like to share with you my tips and tricks on how I overline my lips to achieve a natural fuller look. Thanks to this little guy here, my favorite lip liner of all time. First things first, I apply my vitamin E lip balm from the Body Shop to hydrate my lips. Now I want to introduce you to the most creamy, long-lasting lip liner from Essence Cosmetics in Girl Next Door. They are so good and so affordable. It has a greyish nude color and that's why it's perfect to contour around your lips. I'm gonna start on the bottom and in the middle is where I go the lowest, way under my natural lip line. Creating a shadow effect so my bottom lip gonna look fuller than it is naturally. On the sides I'm not going out of the line that much. Now I'm going way over my cupid's bow and I'm lining the sides more than I did on the bottom to achieve a plump top lip. One side of my lip is naturally more narrow than the other side, so I like to even them out as well. I'm only filling in the sides of my lips. I like to keep the middle part bare because I want my natural lip color to show. Then I just rub my lips together to blend everything and voila, we're done! Natural, plump, fuller looking lips in seconds. I really would like you to try out the Essence lip liners if you haven't already. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Mwah. Bye!